massive blaze left 5 people dead on Thursday at vaccine maker Serum Institute's Pune facility at a building that is under construction. A second fire then broke out hours later and then was brought under control. It's unlikely to hit a production of the Covishield, that's the coronavirus vaccine that has been developed by the Serum Institute of India in partnership with the Oxford University and British-Swedish firm AstraZeneca. Maharashtra Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray will be visiting Pune's Serum Institute of India today, a day after that massive fire broke out. Adar Poonawalla had tweeted on the news of the fire. He said that we have just received some distressing updates. Upon further investigation, we've learned there has unfortunately been some loss of life at the incident. We are deeply saddened and offer our deepest condolences to the family members of the departed.
वजह वेल्डिंग का काम वहाँ पर चालू था और वेल्डिंग के स्पार्क जो होते हैं उस स्पार्क इंसुलेशन मटेरियल इर्द गिर्द पड़ा था, तो वो इंसुलेशन मटेरियल इन्फ्लेमेबल होता है, वो इमीडिएटली फायर हुआ, फायर पकड़ा उन्होंने और आग थोड़ी फैली।
Well, let's go across to Purva Chitnis now for more. And Purva, very distressing, this fire taking place. 5 people have died, and today the Chief Minister of Maharashtra will be visiting the institute.
Yes, very distressing indeed. And right now I am standing outside that building. If I can ask my camera person to zoom in, that is the building where the fire broke out yesterday afternoon around 2 o'clock, 2 p.m. And the upper top floors, in fact, of that building were in fact, engulfed in fire. So in this incident, 5 people have been died, and that is the reason. Now, in fact, the complete probe is being ordered by the government. In fact, even the Deputy Chief Minister Ajit Pawar, who was here yesterday night, and he has also said that he's spoken with the officials and has asked for a complete investigation in this matter. However, in fact, the prima facie investigation that is leading to the electrical work that was going on inside that building, that was an under construction building, and electrical work, AC repair work was going on, and the welding work was going on, and there was this insulation material all across that place, and because of welding work, the sparks flew and the insulation material caught fire, and that was the reason the fire broke out. Now, this is the prima facie investigation that the officials here did, but however, a complete investigation has been ordered even today. In fact, today is when the auditors will come here. They will inspect the building, and a complete investigation will begin. But yes, definitely in this 5 contractors or laborers who were working inside that building, they unfortunately lost their lives. 2 were from Uttar Pradesh, 2 from Bihar, 2 from local Pune here, and 1 was from Bihar. So 5 of them lost their lives. About 6 of them were rescued, but 5 people could not be rescued because they were on the top floor, and the massive smoke was in fact hampering the fire control operations. And once the smoke was brought under control, that's when the fire officers went inside, and that's where they found the bodies of these 5 people, the 5 contractors who were working in this building. And what also the Deputy Chief Minister Ajit Pawar also said, that this the information that he got is that this building, there was a rotavirus vaccine was to be built, and that is why the plant installation work was going on. So nothing related to Covishield, but this was an under construction building, and the work was going on to build. Serum Institute is a big manufacturing of different vaccines, nothing related to Covishield, but rotavirus vaccine was supposed to be manufactured here, and that is why the building was to be constructed, and electrical work was going on, because of which this fire broke out yesterday. But a full investigation has been ordered, and around noon is when Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray will also come here and visit this facility.